bila dah habis dia dipukul ni tadi, tiba-tiba salah seorang daripada sahabat yang ada kat situ kata, may Allah curse you. How many times have you committed the same sin? Dia cakap macam tu, ya, kepada lelaki tadi. The Prophet SAW was there. So bila Rasulullah dengar kata-kata ni, ada dua riwayat yang berasingan. So riwayat yang saya ambil yang kedua dulu. Yang kedua, the Prophet SAW said, don't ever say that towards him, because I know nothing about him except that he really loves Allah and His Messenger. So bila orang buat dosa, itu bukan bermakna orang tu tak sayang Nabi, tak suka agama, orang yang teruk lah, kan? Dan orang berdosa, a sinner who sincerely loves Allah and the Prophet, Rasulullah SAW valued that faith, benda ni tadi. Meaning that you are good people, you don't commit sin, you the one who caught him committing sin, it is not necessarily you love Allah and the Prophet more than the sinner. There is a possibility he is more sincere in mencintai Allah dan juga Rasul. So you are not in the position to put such word on him. Jadi perkara tu seharusnya menginsafkan kita lah, bahawa bila kita nampak orang buat dosa, orang buat salah, apa sebenarnya yang kita fikirkan? Are we better than that person? If we think that we are better than that person, we are so much closer to the nature of syaitan, because that is what syaitan thought, kan, when he compare himself to Adam alaihissalam.